Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or heading out for a weekend road trip, one travel nightmare unites us all: opening your suitcase to discover a messy explosion of shampoo or lotion. It doesn't just ruin your clothes, it dampens your whole mood. Luckily, there's a simple and effective solution: Ziploc bags. These humble plastic pouches are a traveler's secret weapon for leak prevention, organization, and stress-free packing. In this guide, we'll explore why storing toiletries in Ziploc bags is essential, how they prevent leaks and messes, and share expert travel tips, real-world examples, and a packing checklist to keep your luggage safe and spill-free. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned explorer, this guide will help you pack smarter. Toiletries are some of the most important yet unpredictable items you pack. The same face wash or sunscreen you rely on daily becomes a risky wild card when stuffed in a suitcase. Why do toiletries leak? Air pressure changes. Especially during flights, changes in cabin pressure cause bottles to compress or expand, pushing liquid out of bottles. Overpacking. Items squeezed tightly together apply pressure on soft containers, causing leaks or breakage. Unsecured lids. Caps pop open more easily than you'd think during transit. Even a tightly screwed cap won't always stop a bottle from leaking once gravity and cabin pressure get involved. Total leak containment. No matter how careful you are, leaks happen. But when toiletries are sealed inside a Ziploc, the mess stays in the bag, not on your clothes or laptop. A ruined outfit or damaged electronics can cost you time and money. A Ziploc bag prevents that completely. TSA-approved convenience. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, requires that all carry-on liquids be in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters, stored in a clear, quart-sized resealable bag, and one bag per passenger. Ziplocs meet these requirements perfectly. They're see-through, easy to open and close, and widely accepted worldwide. Traveling internationally? Many countries like the UK, Canada, and Australia have similar rules. Using Ziplocs keeps you globally compliant and speeds up airport screening. Transparent and organized. One of the biggest travel hassles is digging through your luggage for that one item, say, your toothbrush at midnight in a hotel room. With clear Ziploc bags, you can see everything inside instantly. Use separate bags for hair care like shampoo, conditioner, and hair gel, skincare like cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, dental items like toothpaste, floss, and mouthwash, and makeup including lip balm, foundation, and brushes. This also makes repacking easier, as everything has its place. Lightweight and portable. Unlike bulky toiletry kits, Ziploc bags take up minimal space and weigh almost nothing. You can stuff them into corners or side pockets easily. They also work for backpackers with limited space, business travelers aiming to stay organized, and families packing for multiple people. Subscribe for more adventures and travel tips. Cassie, 29, travel blogger. I was hiking in Peru when my sunscreen leaked inside my pack. Luckily, it was in a Ziploc. Everything else, passport, camera, snacks, was untouched. Saved my gear and my trip. Liam, 37, family traveler. With kids, there's always a mess waiting to happen. I use gallon Ziplocs for their travel shampoo and bubble bath. On a recent flight, one bottle burst, but thanks to the bag, I only had to wash a few toys, not every outfit in our checked bag. Nadia, 42, frequent business flyer. I double bag my liquid makeup. One time my setting spray leaked completely contained. My white blazer, untouched. How to use Ziploc bags for toiletries. Pro tips. Choose the right size. Quart-size bags are ideal for TSA-compliant carry-ons. Gallon-size bags are best for checked luggage or full-size toiletries. Snack or sandwich size bags work well for small items like lip balm, pills, or tweezers. Go freezer strength. Freezer-grade Ziplocs are thicker and more durable, offering better protection against bursts and tears. Double bag high-risk items. Oils, lotions, and face serums are prone to leaks. Double bag them for peace of mind, especially if you're checking them. Squeeze the air out. Less air means less pressure and fewer leaks. Before sealing, gently press out excess air. Secure bottle lids. Tape caps shut or place a piece of plastic wrap under the lid before screwing it closed. Stand bottles upright. Whenever possible, pack bottles upright in your bag. Use shoes or clothing to support them vertically. Label for quick access. Use a marker to label bags by category or by traveler. For example, dad's toiletries, face stuff, or kids' essentials. Bonus uses for Ziploc bags while traveling. Electronics protection. Rain, spills, or humidity can damage electronics. Ziplocs can temporarily waterproof phones, chargers, or power banks. Snack storage. Portion out trail mix, granola bars, or dried fruit for easy resealable access. First aid kits. Keep band-aids, medications, and ointments together and dry. Jewelry organization. Prevent tangles and loss by storing earrings and necklaces in small Ziplocs. Laundry solution. Store dirty socks or underwear separately from clean clothes. Currency separation. Keep different currencies or receipts organized when traveling internationally. Wet swimwear. Use a gallon Ziploc for wet swimsuits or towels after a beach day. Odor control. Seal away strong-smelling items like bug spray or essential oils. Ziploc bags versus toiletry cubes. Which is better? Ziploc bags are very cheap, offer excellent leak protection, are 100% clear, TSA compliant, moderately durable, and partially reusable. Toiletry cubes or travel pouches are more expensive, have leak protection that varies, are often opaque or mesh, may not be TSA compliant, are very durable and fully washable and reusable. Verdict. For leak control and cost efficiency, Ziplocs win. For durability and long-term organization, toiletry cubes may be more appropriate. Many travelers use both cubes for structure and Ziplocs inside them for spill protection. Going green reusable Ziploc alternatives. Plastic waste is a concern for many travelers. If you want to reduce your environmental impact, try these silicone reusable bags such as stasher bags. They are airtight, leak-proof, and washable. TSA-friendly sizes are available. They last for years with proper care. Piva reusable zip bags are thicker than disposable Ziplocs, BPA-free and recyclable. They are great for food or dry toiletries. Glass travel bottles and silicone bags are refillable and sustainable. They pair well with leak-proof reusable bags. While these options cost more upfront, they save money in the long run and reduce single-use plastic. Packing checklist: leak-proof toiletries with Ziploc bags. Travel-sized bottles under 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. Freezer-grade Ziplocs in quart and gallon sizes. Use plastic wrap or tape to seal bottle openings. Bags labeled by category such as hair, skin, and dental. Keep spare Ziplocs for dirty items or backups. One clear quart-size bag for TSA. Reusable silicone bags if going green. A compact towel to dry leaks if they occur. Wrap a small towel or pouch around the Ziploc in your luggage for extra padding. The small bag that solves big problems. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Ziploc bags may not look glamorous, but they're essential for leak-proof, hassle-free travel. They save your clothes, protect your electronics, and make your toiletry routine effortless anywhere in the world. So next time you pack, skip the fancy gear and grab a few Ziplocs. It's a small habit that can make a huge difference. Subscribe for more adventures. Loved these travel tips? You'll love what's coming next. Travel hacks and how-to guides, gear reviews and packing lists, hidden gem destinations, and expert advice from global nomads. Whether you're heading to the mountains or the beach, our tips will help you pack smart and travel better. Subscribe now, your next adventure starts here. Happy travels!